Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today I'm bringing you one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026, the brand new Samsung Galaxy A17. This device is making waves in the mid-range segment, and for good reason. It combines premium looks, powerful performance, and smart features at a price that feels extremely competitive. If you're someone who wants a phone that balances style, performance, and affordability, the Galaxy A17 might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's dive deep into what makes this device so attractive. First off, the design of the Samsung Galaxy A17 is stunning. Samsung has really pushed the limits in 2026 with a slim profile, curved edges, and a matte glass back that gives it a premium feel. The phone comes in bold and stylish colors like midnight black, ocean blue, and sunrise violet, each reflecting light beautifully. The 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display offers Full HD Plus resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and video playback buttery smooth. Watching Netflix, YouTube, or playing high-graphic games feels immersive with vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and excellent brightness that holds up well even under direct sunlight. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy A17 is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1600 series chipset optimized for efficiency and speed. Paired with 8GB or 12GB RAM options, multitasking is seamless. You can jump between apps, edit videos, or play heavy games without lag. For storage, Samsung offers 128GB and 256GB variants with expandable microSD support up to 1TB, so storage anxiety is a thing of the past. Now let's talk about cameras, one of the most important features for many buyers. The Samsung Galaxy A17 boasts a triple rear camera setup, a 108MP primary sensor with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro shooter. The results are nothing short of impressive. Photos come out sharp, detailed, and vibrant, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups. Low-light performance has been boosted with Samsung's nightography technology, so your night shots look bright and clear without too much grain. On the front, there's a 32MP selfie camera housed in a tiny punch hole cutout, producing crisp selfies with excellent skin tones and natural background blur. Video recording is also a treat. You can shoot up to 4K at 60fps with solid stabilization, making it ideal for vloggers or content creators. Battery life is another strong point of the Galaxy A17. It packs a large 5500 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use, and with 65W fast charging support, you can get from 0 to 70% in just about 30 minutes. There's also 25W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging to power up your earbuds or smartwatch on the go. Samsung has also included the latest software experience. The Galaxy A17 ships with Android 16 out of the box with Samsung's One UI 8.1, which is clean, customizable, and loaded with useful features like enhanced privacy controls, better multitasking tools, and improved animations. Plus, Samsung promises up to 4 major OS updates and 5 years of security patches, ensuring your device stays future-proof. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support for a cinematic audio experience, and 5G connectivity with Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast speeds. Samsung has managed to pack all these features in a phone that remains relatively lightweight and comfortable to hold, which is a big plus for everyday users. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy A17 offers incredible value. Starting at around $449 for the base model, it delivers flagship-like features without the flagship price tag. This makes it an excellent choice for students, professionals, or anyone who wants a reliable smartphone with long-lasting performance. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A17 is a powerhouse in the mid-range market of 2026. With its sleek design, gorgeous display, powerful cameras, strong battery life, and future-ready software, it checks almost every box that modern users demand. It feels like Samsung has once again raised the bar for what a mid-range phone can achieve. If you're looking for a phone that balances everything, style, speed, and smart features, the Galaxy A17 is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think of the Samsung Galaxy A17? Would you buy this as your next smartphone in 2026? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more in-depth reviews on the latest devices.